you can use it slowly, like. And it's beautiful. If you can play it fast, better. Hi, in this lesson we'll be looking at the 4-3-1-5 run. This is a very simple run. It's a nice run that you can use when ending a song or even in between the song through the chord progression. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so now this, you start with the 4. Let's start this in the key of F, okay? So the key of F, the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay. Now, to play this run is going to be the 4, 3, 1, 5. So the fingering is quite key. Okay. So in the key of F, this is how we're going to play it. I'm using my middle finger for the 4 and sliding it down to the 3, using my second finger for the 1 and the thumb for the 5. Okay, so let me start 1 octave higher. So you're going to repeat it down the scale as many times as you need. So it's going to go, then you go over it and come here and repeat the same thing. Okay. Okay, so if you were ending a song, you could just go you can end that on the chord you're ending on, right? So let's take it one more time, slow. Okay, so let's try a little fast. So now it sounds a bit nice when you hold the pedal the whole time, okay? So let me do it without the pedal. Okay. So practice and get it as fast as you can, right? So if, say, you are ending a song, playing a song in the key of F, and then you're going to the 1, you go like that. Okay, on the F major chord. So okay, let's look at the same run in other keys, then we can come back. Now, one thing you should know is that it's not same, it's not easy in every key. So it may be sometimes a little bit more difficult in other keys. So because the fingering will differ. Let's try it in the key of C, for example. So in the key of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need a 4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, so, and that's the fingering I use. I use my ring finger for the 4, middle finger for the 3, second finger or the index finger for the 1, and the thumb for the 5. And when I repeat, I come back with the ring finger, same thing. So let me play it slow. Okay, a little faster. A bit faster. Okay, so if we're playing a song maybe in key C, G, and then we're about to end, we can end on the C like that. Okay, that's an ending, but you can also use it in the song itself. As I said, you can use this on the 6 chord, you can use it on the 4 chord and the 1. Okay, so in the same chord progression, let's see. So then to the G, and now when we're going to the A minor, we can use the fill. Takes you to the 4, and then now we're going back to the 1. We play it again. See that? Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's try, for example. So each of these keys I'm doing, just pause the video and try and perfect the run in that key, and you can always fit it in there. Okay. Let's try it in the key of G as well. So key of G is going to look similar to the key of C. So G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. So this is the 4. This is the 3, 1, 5. So it's going to look similar. So let's take it from the top. Okay. So in the key of G, if we're playing a song, G to a D, and then we are going to the E minor, we can do that. Taking that to the 4, and if we are ending the song on the back to the G major as well, we can do okay, one more time. Let me take my leg off the pedal so you can see it easily. There you go. Let's try it in B flat. We've done it in F already. Okay. Do it in a couple of keys so you see the fingering to use. Let's try it in B flat. So B flat, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So this is the fingering I use for B flat. I use my ring finger similar to the same way I played it in F, but ring finger here, slide it down to the 3, and then index finger plays the 1, thumb plays the 5, and then I repeat. One more time. A bit faster. Okay. So if we're playing a song, let's say we go B, and then we're going to the E flat. We go. Okay, I think with the fingering as well, you can either use the ring and that, or you can use your middle finger, just like I did it in F. So I think that makes it faster for me as well. So B flat, F, and then G minor, and then we're going to the E flat. I can do that. It ends the song nicely. If you can't use it anywhere at all, at least the ending you can use it. So when you're just about to end the song, you go, see, even if you can't play it very fast, you can use it slowly, like. And it's beautiful. If you can play it fast, better. So you can use it slow, and then the faster you get at playing this, you can use that.